Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny and today we are going to watch some cats. Hopefully you guys can see and I hope you do. There they are. You just have to approach them very slowly. And I'm whispering because I want to go in slow. But I don't know if you can see. It's a little bum sticking out of the car. Look, I'll show you from a further distance. Right there. There's the little bum. Little booty sticking out. So I'm going in. Hopefully my aunt does not catch me, and hopefully you guys can see me and hear me. I meant hear me, sorry. In the meantime, you guys, we are just going to watch my dog. Maybe play around a bit, but hopefully she comes out so you guys can see her. You are kind of probably wondering why I have these two little bars in between, these two little fence things over here. It's because this is actually a fence door and I have to go to this little crack for you to see. Oh, there she is. Hi, baby girl. Can you guys see her? Hi. Here she comes. Look at her run. Oh, it's a baby. It's a baby. Hi. Hi. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Look. Good girl, good girl. She's looking. Look, she's look at the camera. Alright, so let's see if our aunt's out of the kitchen. Oh, she's looking at me like she's trapped in jail. Look at her mouth. Look at her mouth. Do you see her mouth? Her little mouth. Her mouth. Hee. Her mouth. But let's see if our aunt is out of the kitchen. Oh my god. But hi, Mila. Let's see if our aunt is out of the kitchen. So I'm sorry you can't come out here. You have to stay with mommy. But hopefully my aunt is out of the kitchen so I can get the cats on video, because she won't like it if I go over there on the cat's side. But I'm lucky my dog is inside this time so he won't attack the cats. Not this one, the white dog. The Charlie the white dog. So let's hope that Angie's not in the kitchen, my aunt. Look at her mouth. Ooh, it's a mouth though. That mouth though. But let's go see if she's out so we can start filming the cats instead of my Mila. Instead of my sister. Yes. But let's see. This is King Kong. You guys, this is King Kong. Say hi. That's my other dog, King Kong. Say hi, King Kong. Say hi. That little fur ball right there. He's my dog. Yes, he is. Hi. Hi. Oh, okay. Don't get too close. Hi. Look at his little whiskers. Oh, okay. King Kong. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, guys, my aunt is out of the kitchen, so I'm gonna try to start filming the cats. But look at this cutie one more time. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you the cats one more time. If not, then we have to go back to the front. Oh! Okay, guys, I'm back to whispering. I don't know if you guys can still see the cats, but hopefully you can. And the reason why you see this in the way is because it's a little gate. Hopefully we don't make any noise for the cats. And let's go in and see what happens to these little kittens right over here. But look, there's one right there sticking the little butt out. There's one right there sticking the butt out. There, right above my finger. Right there, behind this tire right here. So let's try going in and see what happens. The kitten is still there. I repeat, the kitten is still there. Do you see the little paw right there? Do you see the little paw right there? That white thing sticking out. I hope you guys can see the little white paw sticking out. I'm gonna try to talk normally so I don't have to whisper, but I'll try my best, okay, you guys? Since I don't want to miss a single thing, I'm hoping to catch everything on video. Yes, everything on video. I really want to see if the cats are actually gonna run. But let's see. Let's find out and see, you guys. I'm gonna try to capture everything on video. But let's see what happens. Hopefully I do. There might be some like little action going on like that, but hopefully I capture everything on video so I can show you guys. So let's go. Okay, we open the gate a little more. Okay, maybe not that much anymore. But let me pause it and try to open it. No, you know what? I'm not gonna pause it. I'm gonna keep on going. Okay, as you can see, we are kind of on the floor now. Oh. Here's my dog trying to go after the cats, but no, I won't let him. Hey, come on here. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. The second cat, like right there, peeking out, right there. Right there. See, the second cat is peeking out. The second cat. The second cat. I don't know if you can see the face, but it's peeking out like right there. Little face right there. Don't know if you can see, but like I said, I'm gonna try to capture everything on video. Okay, let's do this. Oh no, I'm kind of scaring the cats a little. But look. I kind of want to try not to scare the cats, but I'll try my best not to scare them because I really want to capture them on video. I didn't last time. Okay guys, don't know if you can see, I know this has already taken 9 minutes, but we're gonna try to get a little closer. He's hissing. Oh, that little fat cat ain't happy. Let's try to get a little closer. A little closer. I'm gonna try to capture everything on video. Hopefully this video does not take so long. Meow. 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 Hopefully my mom doesn't come and scare me, because I know she's obsessed with scaring me. Are you starting to see the kitten now? If I zoom in just a little more, like right there, like the kitten's like right there, right behind the tire. Kitten, I repeat, is right there, right behind the tire. Can you see it? Can you see it right there? Getting up, it's getting up. It's getting ready to scram, but hopefully it does not. Can you see even better? I think you guys can start to see it a little bit better. I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me, but look, I'm getting closer as I walk. As I walk all of this, I'm getting closer and closer. Meow. Mom, I'm right here. I'm right here. Yeah. Try not to scare them. Huh? I know. She said it was almost bedtime. Can you guys see the cat? Meow. 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 As I keep going, you can start to see it more and more. I might say meow. 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 Scram. As I start to say scram in meow form, they might run. I might go like this. Meow. Meow. I think that's as close as I can get. It's right there, right in this little circle area right here. I just want to grab it in the palm of my hand, but I can't because it knows I'm getting closer and closer. Meow. Meow. I've gotten this close to it before, maybe even touched it before. Meow. Meow. I need this spot, so move. Meow, move. I don't know if you guys can see, but hopefully you can. Hopefully I'm getting this on video. I don't know if you guys can see the cat a lot better, but it's like right there. I don't know if you can see the little white and black. Meow. Can you see it? I wish it could be brighter so you guys can see. Meow. I'm hoping it does not attack. This is as close as I'm gonna get, guys. Oh, it ran away. It's gone. It's gone. Hopefully I can get it under here. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Under. You guys can't see because it's so dark, but 14 minutes, I gotta end the video. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It has been 14 minutes, so I'm just going to try to talk quickly to end the video. But as always, never dream big and be happy. Bye, and I'm sorry if this camera did not. Okay, bye.